Khamma Ganisa, Khamma Ganisa. You might be saying, what the crazy language is speaking. By the way, this is a bit of test of Rajasthani language. It means Ram Nam Sa means Namaskar, Khamma Ganisa means how are you? You know, everything is good. So today we're not going to learn Rajasthani, but we're going to learn Hindi. And the word today we're going to learn is verb to do. All right. The verb to do, we say karna. Karna. So kar is the root form of the verb here, and after adding the na, it is showing us the present form, karna, right? Doing in the present time, to do. And generally this karna verbs, comes with some compound verb. This karna, this get suffixed more often time. With other verbs, it gets suffixed maximum time, but not always, all right? It is also an independent verb, all right? Let me show you a few sentences where you learn the use of this karna. I love you. This sentence you have learned a lot. And did you ever notice that here we're using the verb karna? To do we are using here indirectly. मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ, right? कर, so करता हूँ, to do love, right? मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ, okay? Next one, I want to marry with you. मैं तुमसे शादी करना चाहता हूँ. मैं तुमसे, शादी means marries, right? शादी करना again, करना चाहता हूँ. I want, चाहना means to want. Will you marry me? क्या तुम मुझसे शादी करोगी? Right? क्या तुम मुझसे शादी करोगी? Now, gi, to whom I'm asking? I'm asking a girl. And if I was a girl and if I'm asking to a boy, then I will say, क्या तुम मुझसे शादी करोगे? क्या तुम मुझसे शादी करोगे? Means I'm asking to a boy. Alright? Anil, will you love me? Anil, क्या तुम मुझे प्यार करोगे? Means Anil, क्या तुम, will you, मुझे means to me, to love, प्यार करोगे. So Anil, क्या तुम मुझे प्यार करोगे? Anil, will you love me? Yes, baby, but at night. Yes, I will do, but in night my heart. So हाँ, करूँगा ना? Yes, I will do it. लेकिन रात में, but in night. मेरी जान, my heart, right? हाँ, करूँगा ना? Yes, I will do it. लेकिन रात में, but at night. मेरी जान, मेरी heart. Ramu, clean the utensils. Here the Ramu is name of a man, and the Ramu most of the time it is very famous in India as a name of the servant, right? Ramu Chacha, like that, Ramu. By the way, Ram is the god name also. It's giving me a lot of hotness. Let me keep it outside. So Ramu, clean the utensils. How do you pronounce? I don't know, utensils or utensils, whatever. The kitchen stuff, all those plates, spoons, forks, pan, everything, saucepan, everything. Those all called utensils. And the same thing in Hindi we say bartan. Those all stuff, kitchenwares, we say bartan. Bartan, alright? So Ramu, bartan saaf karo. Saaf means to clean. Karo means to do. To clean, we say saaf karna. Alright? To clean something, we say saaf karna. Alright? Yes, master, just going to clean. Ji Malik, abhi saaf karne jata hu. Abhi means right now, this time, alright? Saaf karne jata hu means going to clean, right? Jata hu. Ja verb you already know. So Ji Malik. Malik means master also. Ji, yes. Ji can be used as a yes also. Ji. आपको ये समझ में आया? जी. आपको समझ में आया? नहीं जी. No, like that, right? So G can be used as a S and no also. As we use G for the giving respect, we can use for this one also. So two use of G you learned. Anyway, so yes master, just going to clean. जी मालिक, अभी साफ करने जाता हूँ. Anil, what are you doing? Anil, तुम क्या कर रहे हो? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? You can use this. आप क्या कर रहे हो? आप क्या कर रहे हैं? With आप, you can use two things. हैं or ho. Both is possible in speaking. By the way, if you go to the proper grammar, then आप क्या कर रहे हैं? That is the best. But in speaking nowadays, people speak like आप क्या कर रहे हो? Like going to, you say gotta, like want to, you say wanna, same thing, like speaking. आप क्या कर रहे हो? That's also possible. It's not necessary that you have to say आप क्या कर रहे हैं? I'm talking about the informal language, the people nowadays, what they speak. So आप क्या कर रहे हो? In Delhi, we say ho most of the time. No, I'm not doing anything. नहीं, मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मैं कुछ भी, nothing, So I'm not doing anything. मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I'm not doing anything. I'm doing my homework. मैं अपना गृह कार्य कर रहा हूं. गृह means home, work means कार्य. So गृह कार्य means homework. Alright? अपना means mine. Okay? So मैं अपना गृह कार्य कर रहा हूं. Again the verb कर and then raha. Raha is representing the continuous form. So कर रहा हूं. Alright? So I'm doing my homework. Who did this? ये किसने किया? This means ये and that means वो. So वो किसने किया? Who did that? वो किसने किया? Who did this? ये किसने किया? Alright? Bring this by painting. Go paint it and then bring it. So bring this by painting. You have to say इसको पेंट करके लाओ. अनिल ये कप लो और इसको पेंटिंग करके लाओ. Alright? अनिल ये कप लो और इसको साफ करके लाओ. साफ करके लाओ. I don't know to do painting. मुझे पेंटिंग नहीं आता है. Means मुझे पेंटिंग करना नहीं आता है. I don't know to do painting. मुझे पेंटिंग करना नहीं आता है. By the way, we say चित्र also for painting. चित्र बनाना means drawing painting, doing drawing something. That's called चित्र बनाना. So मुझे पेंटिंग करना नहीं आता. I don't know to do painting. Similarly, you can say anything. I don't know to dance. I don't know dancing. So you can say मुझे डांस करना नहीं आता. I don't know to dancing. I don't know to sing. मुझे गाना नहीं आता. I don't know to play. मुझे बजाना नहीं आता. मुझे पियानो बजाना नहीं आता. I don't know to play piano. मुझे पियानो बजाना नहीं आता. Then what do you know to do? फिर तुम्हें क्या करना आता है? फिर तुम्हें क्या करना आता है? क्या करना? What do you know? क्या करना आता है? What do you know to do? Alright? So फिर is here like then. Then means फिर तुम्हें क्या करना आता है? What do you know to do? Alright? क्या करना आता है? आना is like to know also sometimes, मुझे आता है means I know it. मुझे आता है. I know it. So know, K-N-O-W, know, it means right? Ana. And this ana is like come also. C-O-M-A. We learned just a few video back. Come. So ana means to come also and ana means to know also. I can do anything. मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ. Alright? कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ. Till here, till here. कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ. It's one complete sentence. I can do anything beside painting. Painting के अलावा. Beside means except that, So alava, this is going to use a lot of time. So remember this word very nicely. Alava, right? Beside that. So मैं painting के अलावा कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ. Impressive. Then can you do this? Can you do like to this video? Right? Can you do like to this video? क्या आप इस वीडियो को पसंद कर सकते हो? क्या आप इस वीडियो को पसंद कर सकते हो? कर. Again this verb is coming. See, there is a subscribe button and just below that there is a like button, and hit that button and do me the favor. Next one. I can even do comment on this video. मैं तो इस वीडियो में कमेंट भी कर सकता हूँ. मैं तो इस वीडियो में कमेंट भी कर सकता हूँ. मैं तो I can, even do commenting. इस वीडियो में, इस वीडियो means in this video, इस वीडियो में, in this video, कमेंट भी, even comment कर सकता हूँ. Do commenting, So मैं तो इस वीडियो में कमेंट भी कर सकता हूँ. Really? Then show it by doing. सच्ची फिर करके दिखाओ ना. करके दिखाओ ना means by doing show it. Alright? दिखाओ ना, करो ना, खिलाओ ना, पिलाओ ना, ओ ना. It's you're asking, you're saying with love. Alright? Always ओ ना. Alright? So दिखाओ ना. Right? किस करो ना. Next. Anil, you jokes a lot. Anil, तुम बहुत मजाक करते हो. Anil, तुम बहुत मजाक करते हो. You can say मजाक बहुत also. Anil, तुम बहुत मजाक करते हो यार. बहुत मजाक करते हो. Anil, तुम मजाक बहुत करते हो. Means you do a lot of jokes. But I like you very much. मैं तुम्हें बहुत पसंद करता हूँ. लेकिन मगर these all things you can say. लेकिन मैं तुम्हें बहुत पसंद करता हूँ. But I love you very much. I like you very much. Alright? How do I believe you? मैं तुम्हें कैसे विश्वास करूं? Now here you learn a new word, विश्वास. विश्वास means believe, strong belief. मैं तुम्हें विश्वास करता हूं. So मैं तुम्हें कैसे विश्वास करूं? How do I believe you? मैं तुम्हें कैसे विश्वास करूं? How do I believe you? मैं तुम्हें कैसे विश्वास करूं? Believe me. मेरी विश्वास करो. Here you see, मेरी. It means a girl is saying this. A feminine subject is there. A girl is saying, मेरी विश्वास करो, believe me. If a male person is saying, believe me, then it will be मेरा विश्वास करो. मेरा विश्वास करो, right? You can say like मेरा विश्वास कीजिए, मेरी विश्वास कीजिए, you know, like that. If she is giving me respect, then she will say मेरी विश्वास कीजिए, or she can also say मेरी विश्वास करो. Karo, it's like more friendly. No, the people speak more, I think this. मेरी विश्वास करो. It means a girl is saying to believe her. Okay, then kiss me. अच्छा, फिर मुझे kiss करो ना. करो ना. Again, with love I'm saying करो ना. Alright? So मेरी विश्वास करो ना. Kiss, we say chumban also. I think I use this somewhere. This is getting a little adult. Anyways, अच्छा, फिर मुझे kiss करो ना. मुझे फिर चुम्बन करो ना. Right? Badmaas. Badmaas means naughty.